We'll learn how to create pivot table in Excel sheet. Here I'm showing you one unique trick of pivot table. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data. So I'm using here the pivot table. Just go to the insert tab, click on the pivot table, click on the from table. Here range is automatically selected. Click on the new worksheet and click on OK. Now I just select the product ID and drag in row, and category also I select and drag in the row. So here you see the after the product ID category mentioned, but I want this category in column, okay, in tabular form, in table format. In first in column I want the product ID and second column I want category. So here have some simple setting to set the tabular form this data. So I just click on the this product ID arrow. Here you see the arrow, just click on it, click on the field setting, click on the none. In layout tab, click on the show item labels in tabular form, just click on OK. That's it. Here you see the tabular form item data. So hope you understand this trick. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.